Have you ever wondered if you can use YNAB with your partner or roommate? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and show you how to make YNAB work for you, no matter how many people are using it. Imagine this: you and your partner are trying to save up for a down payment on a house. You both have different income streams and expenses, but you want to work together to reach your goal. How do you do it? YNAB is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses and stay on track with your financial goals. It's a great tool for individuals, but it can also be used by couples or roommates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up YNAB for two people, how to track your income and expenses together, and how to create shared budgets. Setting up YNAB for two people. Create a new YNAB account. Add your partner or roommate as a user. Set up your budget categories. Assign your income and expenses to the correct categories. Tracking your income and expenses together. Connect your bank accounts to YNAB. Categorize your transactions as they come in. Review your transactions regularly to make sure they are categorized correctly. Creating shared budgets. Create a new budget category for each shared expense. Assign a budget amount to each shared category. Track your spending against your shared budgets. Tips for using YNAB with two people. Communicate regularly about your finances. Be flexible and willing to compromise. Use YNAB to track your progress towards your financial goals. So, can two people use YNAB together? Yes, absolutely. In fact, it can be a great way to improve your financial relationship and reach your goals faster. Thanks for watching.